Hey everyone, it's your boy Odin from Host.Promo, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can change the very last commit message that you just committed. And if you want to be able to change any commit, I will have a link in the description to a video I did previously which will let you change any commit. However, this video is just for commits that you just did, okay? So if we do git log, you're going to see we have one commit, which is my very last commit, and I typed file wrong. I put two E's. So to change that, all we need to do is type git commit -- amend. And then we can go ahead and change the message and save our git commit. Now if we do git log, you can see the spelling error is no longer there. So that is how you change the very last commit. If you want to be able to change commits before the very last one, then you're going to need to go in the description and click this video. And also, if you're interested in finding the best web hosting companies and promotions, then make sure to check out my website, Host.Promo. I hope you guys have an amazing day. If you have any questions about Git or anything like that, just leave it down below and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and I hope you have an amazing day. Peace out.